Okay, how does a control of a single zone VAV air handler unit work? So that is a work in progress, don't worry about that, but same thing. We need a VFD, so variable frequency drive, is telling us that this is variable air volume air handler. Now we go to a control panel. We don't have DP sensor here because this is single zone air handler unit. So the fan speed is controlled based on the input of the zone temperature served by that air handler. In a multi-zone, it's controlled by a DP sensor transducer. In a single zone, the fan speed controlled by based on the input of the zone temperature sensor located in a zone served by that air handler. Now, the chill water control valve, it's still controlled by a supply air temperature sensor. The only thing it's called supply air temperature sensor, not discharge, but essentially it is the same function. That's how the single zone air handler unit is controlled. Thanks.